Do you want to earn money online by just sharing memes? No, it's literally what you are going to do. You can learn how to make money online by sharing memes, and in this video you learn about an example of a big meme page that was actually sold for allegedly $85 million. And there's a lot of coverage, media coverage on it. You can look it up, it's true, there's a meme page that was sold for $85 million. There's a power in memes, and you'll learn how to make money from them in this video. But I gotta warn you from the start, if you do not watch this video all the way until the end, you will not be able to apply this method, because there's a step-by-step process to actually find the memes, post the memes on Instagram, and I have a lot of videos on how to grow a meme page on my channel, how you can sell shoutouts, get promotions, and also sell your account. All of these steps will be covered in this video. Let's start. Hey, I'm Dr. Niki. I talk about all things personal branding and making money online. So if you're new, me and my team, we try to upload over 3 videos every single day to take over the make money online niche. If you're new, subscribe and help us out by liking this video. I will shout your Instagram account out in one of the next videos to help your meme page, Instagram team page, Instagram personal or business page grow. All you gotta do is comment it down below, comment the Instagram username down below. I'll take it, I'll put it in the shout out jar and shout you out in one of the next videos, just like this. Okay, let's start. The meme page that was actually sold has 16 million followers nearly, and it's posting memes like 2-3 times a day. They have 8K posts, and there's a lot of websites that were talking about it because that one got sold for $85 million, and it was basically bought by Warner Music Group. And the reason they bought it was because they can use this traction and create viral content, viral marketing for their brand, for new songs they release, and so on. So this is what a meme page looks like, and if you want to create memes like this, you can use 2 websites. The first one is Capwing, the second one is imgflip.com, and they have a meme generator, and you can choose any of these memes like college meme page, starting meme page. Here you can have me, and there's real job, right? You can create memes like this, move them around really fast, and build a whole business and empire around it. You can do the same thing with Capwing. You can find ideas, you can even repost some. Look at these cute memes, they're really interesting. And if the Kwan was uploading 2, 3, 5 times a day, you can upload every 2 or 3 hours, because it takes like 5 minutes to create a really funny meme. And the way you monetize it is via shout card to start, where brands will find you and offer you sponsorships, especially if you have a highly engaged meme page. And then what you can do is you can also sell your meme page, fame swap, and sometimes you can get around $10 to $50 per follower. For example, this travel account has 257,000 followers and selling for 15 grand. So that's $58 per 1,000 followers. That's a lot. Like everything above $10 is good for you to sell the page for. So this is how you can create a meme page. This is how you can get the memes for it. This is how you can monetize it with shout card, and this is how you can sell it if you want to replicate results like that ones. Obviously results can vary, do your own due diligence, don't sue me bro. But if you want to grow an Instagram account, I have a lot of videos on it on my channel. As you can see here on my YouTube channel, I have videos, about so many things that you need to know if you want to learn about how to grow a team page, a meme page, how to get 100 followers a day or more, how to get to 10K followers. I even have a guide in the description down below that you can get for free that will walk you through step by step to get from 0 to 10K followers. And also some of the issues you can run into, like action block, shadow bans, all of that I explain on my channel for free. If you appreciate this video, make sure you give it a like. If you're new, subscribe, and remember that a video that keeps the doctor away. By the end of this video, make sure you check one of these 2 videos out. See you next one, bye.